Our chinkini money pasta is ready. Oh, looking so yummy-licious. This pasta was made with small money but looking so yummy. Please come with your fork and spoon. Mom of three beautiful girls that is expecting her fourth child. And this day we make palm oil chinkini money pasta. Yes, so the kids say, Mommy, please make pasta for us, but we want it with palm oil. I say, no wahala, your wish is my command. Sharp, sharp, I made it for them. But no stress to start dishing for everybody. They will all eat from one plate. Yes.
Mommy, thank you, ma.
Thank God. Oh yeah, go and eat. Mom of three girls that is expecting her fourth child. After dishing for my girls, I decided to eat from the pot. Of course, you know, so they say the bottom pot na in the sweet pass. But there no time for dishing for everybody separately. I say today, you guys should eat together while I eat my own from the pot. Guys, start coming with your fork and spoon. Let's eat together because it is yummy. On today's menu, we are making party jollof because that's what my guests say they want to eat. I said, okay, no problem. And at this point, it is good to go. Let's check it out. Wow, looking so yummy. Guys, how do you see it? Looking so yummy-licious. Start coming with your plate because it's about to go down. Mom of three beautiful girls that is expecting her fourth child, and as you can see, our jollof rice is ready and we are dishing it for the guests because this is what they want. Begged me to cook for them, of course, and as a loving mom, what will I do now? Prepare it for them. This is what I dish for them and this is my own. How do you see it? Come over with your sweet because it is yummy. Anytime I cook jollof rice for my guests, you see them very happy. Look at their faces, smiling because it is jollof rice. Especially my first and second daughter, they don't joke with jollof rice. When it comes to rice, they are number one. But give them fufu and soup, their face will look as if you ask them to pound them. This girl, mom of three girls that is expecting her first child. As you can see, we are eating jollof rice with beef. One thing about me is, if the jollof is not hot, I am not. And there. As you can see, the jollof is really hot in my mouth, and that's how I enjoy my jollof. Is either hot or no me. Our rice and beans is ready, my dear. Check out now. Just imagine what my last daughter asked me. Just listen.
The kind of food we are going to eat.
Children, these children can be very, very funny. Anyways, we have dished it. Come and join us because it is good to go. How do you see it? Very yummy. Life of a mom of three beautiful girls that is expecting her fourth child. On today's video, we are eating rice and beans. This is what baby wants to eat, and of course, we gave it to baby. Come and join us and eat. Life of a mom of three beautiful girls that is expecting her fourth child. On this day, we are having pap with beans and fried plantain. On this day, this is what baby wants, and of course, we don't chop our mom. Honestly, every pregnancy comes with its own. This one just they do me anyhow when you want. Today go say chop, today go say no chop, today go say lie down, today go say sleep. In fact, maybe small. But at the end of the day, the Lord is our strength because this is not an easy journey. But to God be the glory because everything is moving so fast and easy. We thank God on Almighty. At this point, we don't chop our finish, and as you can see, I was unable to finish the beans. I don't tire, my dear. Make I rest more, but it no be firewood. Bye. Life of a mom of three beautiful girls that is expecting her fourth child. On this day, if I tell you that this is early morning and baby said, I want to eat swallow and soup, and of course, baby got his desire. Shout out to all pregnant moms. Life of a mom of three girls that is expecting her fourth child. So on today's video, we are having porridge yam with veggies. This yam I mixed it with ripe plantain so that we'll have this sweeter because my kids doesn't like porridge yam, so I have to make it delicious for them. So guys, check it out. How do you see it?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
Hi besties, today we are making porridge beans with fried plantain. Already, as you can see, and at this point it is good to go. We already dished it out for myself and my kids. Come over, let's dissect this together.
Bread. Cut bread for me. Mommy, cut bread.
Cut bread. Bread is in your front. Cut bread and eat. See bread.
I couldn't cut bread.
Cut bread and eat for
I
yourself.
couldn't cut big bread now.
Mom of 3 beautiful girls that is expecting her 4th child. For today's lunch, my girls are taking garri, groundnut, sugar and milk. Of course, no power, no strength, no energy. Mama no get strength. Oh, baby in the womb say today you are not cooking anything. I was like, no problem. Thank God we have garri at home. So we just mixed it for them and they were so happy. They prefer to drink this than taking fufu. Honestly, after mixing it, the thing was so inviting. I almost joined them, but if I try put this inside my mouth, body go tell me.